salmon and cucumber sushi rolls. Ingredients: 2 nori sheets, 100 grams skinless salmon fillet, use really fresh, thinly sliced lengthways. 1/4 cucumber, deseeded, thinly sliced lengthways. Squeeze wasabi, plus extra to serve. Pickled sushi ginger, to serve. Light soy sauce, to serve. Salmon roe, to serve, optional. For the rice: 100 grams sushi rice. 2 teaspoons saké or mirin, optional. 1 tablespoon castor sugar, omit if using mirin. 25 milliliters rice vinegar. Method. Step 1. First, make the rice. Rinse the sushi rice in a colander, massaging it with your hands until the water runs clear. Leave to drain for 15 minutes. Put the rice in a saucepan with 200 milliliters water and the saké or mirin, if using. Bring to the boil, then cover with a lid, reduce the heat to low and simmer for 20 minutes until the liquid is absorbed. Remove from the heat. Set aside, covered, for 15 to 20 minutes. Transfer to a large bowl. Dissolve the sugar, if using, in the vinegar with a good pinch of salt, pour over the rice and mix. Cover with a damp tea towel and set aside at room temperature until ready to use. Put 1 nori sheet on a bamboo mat and cover the surface with half of the cooled rice. Lay half of the salmon and cucumber slices along the length of the rice in a strip, being careful not to overfill it. Run a pea-sized blob of wasabi, more if you like it really hot, along the edge of the filling with your finger. Roll up tightly and squeeze to seal when you reach the end. Repeat with the remaining nori, salmon and cucumber, and more wasabi. Slice each roll into 6 pieces, and serve with extra wasabi, ginger, soy sauce and salmon roe, if you like. Will keep in the fridge for 1 day.